Welcome to our Ice Maker Showdown. Today, we will be comparing two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker, known for its chewable nugget ice, and the Electactic Ice Maker, which produces traditional bullet ice. We'll explore their features, performance, and value to help you decide which one is right for you. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice perfect for blending into drinks or enjoying on its own. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker creates traditional bullet ice, which is great for chilling beverages but lacks the chewable texture. If you prefer nugget ice, the EUHOMY is the clear choice, while the Electactic offers a more classic ice experience. When it comes to production capacity, the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker shines with an impressive output of 34 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for parties and gatherings. On the other hand, the Electactic Ice Maker produces 26 pounds daily, which is sufficient for casual use, but may fall short during larger events. If you need more ice, the EUHOMY is the better option. Price is a significant factor in choosing an ice maker. The EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker is priced at $189, reflecting its premium features and ice quality. In contrast, the Electactic Ice Maker is much more budget-friendly at $89, making it an excellent choice for those looking for a reliable ice maker without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your choice will depend on your budget and ice preferences. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY Nugget Ice Maker and the Electactic Ice Maker have their strengths. If you prioritize ice quality and production capacity, the EUHOMY is worth the investment. However, if you're looking for an affordable and efficient option for everyday use, the Electactic is a fantastic choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.